Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be a quality review specialist for a customer service group. It's not requiring any kind of college degree, so if you have those great customer service skills, this might be for you. It is very well paying as well. The company is True Work. They have 72 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. Of course, this page and the application page are both linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you enjoy this job lead, I just ask that you give this video a thumbs up like button because that does give me that direct feedback. Of course, share with all your friends and family if you know somebody who could benefit from this. But True Work is hiring a senior customer support quality assurance specialist. So True Work is on a mission to create trust in every financial transaction. They build products that enable businesses and consumers to regain control over how their sensitive financial information is shared online. They're looking for a quality assurance specialist to help develop a highly effective quality assurance program for their onshore and offshore customer service teams. You'll build high quality onboarding programs, and you'll become the subject matter expert on TrueWorks product functionality, features, and use cases, and the customer support workflows. So this basically means that you are going to be utilizing automation tools to optimize training programs for the customer service team and collaborating with the head of customer support to identify and outline any training needs that the team needs. You're going to analyze customer feedback to identify any recurring patterns or issues and areas for improvement with the customer interactions. You'll develop strategies to enhance the customer support specialist performance based on your results. You're also going to design instructional documents and manuals to help guide that customer support team and specialist in various different customer interaction scenarios. So maybe you're actually coming up with the scripts that they read from. You'll conduct group and individual training sessions as needed. So you're going to be monitoring and evaluating inbound and outbound interaction quality, tracking any issues, and basically analyzing the results. Now, again, no college degree is needed. They do need somebody, though, who has 5 years of prior experience in customer service, quality assurance, or learning and development. Somebody who has 2 years as Zendesk support. Someone who has prior experience working from home or working remotely. And you do have to have a prior experience being directly responsible for using data or prioritizing learning and development. So, like if you've ever been a team lead, things like that, no matter in what capacity it is, you need those leadership skills and that skills at looking at data and work of others and trying to develop where you need help at. Now, pay for this position is very good. Their pay is anywhere from $80,000 a year all the way up to $90,000 a year. Of course, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health insurance, a paid time off, 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.